How to deactivate Messenger account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate Messenger account. So now without further ado, let's get started. Now before starting anything, you must know that to deactivate your Messenger account, you must have to deactivate the Facebook account. And with that being said, simply open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the Facebook app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings section, just tap on the option labeled as See More in Account Center. And now here, once you're inside the account center, then what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on personal details. And now here, just tap on account ownership and control. And now here on the next page, just choose deactivation or deletion. And after that, on the next page, simply select your Facebook account. And after that, you can just tap on deactivate account and tap on continue. And with that, on the next page, you have to tap on continue, and after that you simply have to enter your password and confirm it. And once you do that, the Facebook and Messenger will be deactivated. And that's it. That's how you can deactivate your Messenger account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.